Hi everyone, it's the Nappy Life. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing a detox and then a retwist. So he has been growing his locks for about 3 months now, starting them at the end of January. He has a lot of buildup, and that's due to the fact that he has like a very flaky scalp. When I first started his locks, his scalp was very itchy and there were thick patches. So this is not as bad as it was originally. His scalp has been doing a lot better. But as you can see, there's still a lot of flaking, a lot of buildup. And I think some of that is from product too, from the product I used to retwist his hair. But we're going to be doing a detox to get rid of all of that, and you're going to see that magic happen. So the first thing I do is the apple cider detox. And it's just part apple cider, part vinegar. Spray that all over the hair. As you can see, the dirt and the oil is already lifting. It looks white and milky. So that's why I love apple cider vinegar as a detox. And normally I would let it sit, but because it's already lifting, I'm going to go ahead and just spray it on and then go rinse it out. And I do this twice. So this is the first round, and then after I rinse this out, I'm gonna spritz his hair again with apple cider vinegar, rinse it, then wash, and then add the leave-in. So you're gonna see all of that in a second. All right, so we are all done washing his hair. As you can see, it's pretty clean. There's no flakes, there's no buildup, but a lot of the twist unraveled, and I had to unravel the twist a little bit just to make sure I got all the dirt and buildup out that was at the base of the lock. So the first thing I used to wash his hair is actually the Melanin African Black Soap Shampoo. I think it's a great shampoo for detoxing. I did a review where I tried it on my hair, but didn't really like how it worked with my hair. But because his hair is a lot shorter and a lot looser than mine, it worked really well on his hair. And then after I did 2 washes with the Melanin Hair Care African Black Soap Shampoo, So after the Melanin Hair Care Shampoo, I followed up with the As I Am Dry and Itchy Scalp Care Olive and Tea Tree Oil. It has parathione zinc, and it's a dandruff shampoo. I feel like this works really well, and I think that's why his scalp isn't as itchy or flaky as it was when I first started doing his hair 3 months ago. So after I wash with the shampoo, just dry his hair a bit, and then right here I'm spraying in the leave-in conditioner. Lightweight, no heavy oils or butters, water-based, very moisturizing. And I'm just working it in at this point. After I work it in, I'm going to start retwisting. Actually, before I retwist, I'm using the As I Am Dry and Itchy Scalp Olive and Tea Tree Oil. And this works really well in combination with the shampoo. I think this has also been helping because it has salicylic acid in it, which helps to prevent dandruff and itching. So those products work really well. I know that I know that there are some concerns about starting locks, especially if you have a flaky scalp or seborrheic dermatitis, but I think it is possible to have a healthy hair of locks even if you have those scalp conditions. You just have to work a little bit harder to keep your hair clean, keep your scalp clean, and to ensure that you don't get buildup. But I found that both of these products, along with the apple cider vinegar, have been working very well. As you can see, his hair is extremely clean. So right now I'm retwisting using the same product I always used to, that I've been using to retwist for the last 2 retwists, and I'll do a review on that later. Still trying to test it out to see how good it is, but so far I really like it. It's the best product that I found to hold the twist in place. But anyways, that's all. For the rest of this video, I'm going to be retwisting, but I appreciate you guys for watching. If you found this video useful, thumbs up, subscribe, and I appreciate the support. If you have a scalp condition and locks or loose natural hair, let me know what products you swear by. All right, see you guys in the next video. Bye.